It's not my house, by the way. This house is for each and every one of you in here.
Hey guys, I know it is noisy out here, but today I want to just use this opportunity to congratulate Wode Maya for his 1 million subscribers. And it's amazing how he has made good use of social media. You know, you can make a lot out of social media, and Wode Maya has been one of the people who has inspired me a lot to go into this job. As actually I got inspired by what he does, and he's really doing well. 1 million plus subscribers on YouTube is not a thing to joke with, and I want to congratulate him. But there's one thing that he said in his unboxing video on YouTube that I want to share with you, and this is so amazing. How can a man build a whole house, and he calls it the $1 million house? In fact, a whole house for content creation. This is amazing. Let's go and watch the video. Stay connected. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video.
It's not my house, by the way. This house is for each and every one of you in here. So I just realized that there are a lot of people who would love to create content, but they don't have phones, they don't have laptops and all of that. So I decided to sign a contract with Star Property to give us this house for free.
Wow.
So we are not paying anything. So the most important thing is whatever idea that you have, just walk in here, snake and yamize, as you say. You can also run in here and then come and shoot the video that you want to shoot. Keke, that's it. But make sure when you are going, you don't take our cameras away. Leave our laptops behind. So if you can swim, if you create content that has to do with swimming, you can swim in here.
Stella.
Food vlog, we have the kitchen in there.
Wow.
So anyone can come in here. So far as a content creator, this place is for you. And no, it's open. Somebody's gonna be here. You know, question. Okay. Midnight will do.
Somebody content different.
You know? So if I come here 12 midnight, will there be someone here? Yeah, 12 midnight, someone will be here.
And room should be available.
This is like 24/7. It's open because some of us love to create content at night. So you need to calm down, lights in here, do whatever you want to do. Night content, but don't carry it with a woman.
What is on between there? What is on between there?
It's alright. See this guy?
Really?
Okay. I didn't know to make it down. Bedroom videos. And today actually marks a great day because I'm actually the first Ghanaian to hit 1 million subscribers. YouTube sent a plaque to Ghana.
Wow.
This is the first one ever.
Wow.
I just want to take this opportunity to open the plaque. So that it will inspire all of us to know that it's possible. Oh, wow.
Now, perform. DVD. My name is AYEKOO.
The first time I hit 100K on YouTube, that's when I met her.
Oh, wow.
90K, eh?
90K, the number 90.
But when I got the 100K plaque, I told her that, you know what, I want to open this with you. And she said, you know what, if you have been able to do this, then I can also do it too. So opening 1 million, I think I just want to give it to you again, together with Congratulation. The best content creator in Ghana. And Sheldon. and we all can touch it a bit and feel
Maya, hold
it.
it. Present the thing.
Present it?
Sorry.
We don't have.
Sorry.
Calvin, sorry.
Oh, Maya, hold on. Hold the thing now.
Let's see the body baby bounce.
Let's take a picture.
Oh, let's take a photo, right?
Yeah.
Take a photo.
Okay, yeah.
But why is Brakojo not smiling? Brakojo said they won't just smile.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can I also touch it?
Yes!
Whoa.
Touch it.
Yo, so I think it has to go around. Anyone can. Hey, I'm selling it. How much do you sell it? Sorry. Even John, we want. Hey! But you look so good, though. So, presented to Wode Maya for passing 1 million subscribers. Wow. All right.
And see how Wodemaya gave out a whole house for content creation in Ghana. And I'm super proud of him, and I want to say congratulations to him and his team, and I want to say God richly bless them for what they are doing, and I pray that they'll get more increase and also expand on YouTube, and I want to celebrate with them on their next million. Let's go and watch it. Stay connected. I want you to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you give us a thumbs up.